All right, Alex, this is day 4 of the scoring camp. We're going to take a look at first day swing, which is over here on the left. And today's swing, I actually have today's drill up. We'll get to the swing here in a second. But I got a little drill with your feet together drill that I want you to do. But you can see a huge difference in your setup or your posture. Okay, now the drill, you got your legs a little too straight, your hands are reaching just a little bit. If we put in today's regular swing, which is here, just so you make sure we understand good posture. Okay, you still got plenty of knee flex. We've got some room now to swing more from the inside, and we're bowing from our hips instead of bending from our knees to get down. So that's a really good change. I know you worked hard on that posture and everything. So that's a really good change right there. So one of the big things that we worked on was your takeaway. You'd get it kind of open club face and 2 inside. You can see that club face starting to roll open right there. So we start working on, you're still a little bit inside. When we start working on that club face and getting your left inside, so you can see really good change. It changed it about 2.5 feet in 3 days. So we still got a little work to do, but you can see a much better club face angle right there. So that's really good change right there. Somehow you managed to kind of bring it down on plane. Okay, so here's the same thing. You're still coming down on plane. Okay, but you can see the club face coming in a lot squarer. You're still kind of swinging out to that left a little bit. Okay, and you did it on day 1. You could swing out towards the target. So we're working on swinging out to the target just a little bit more. I'm going to show you that drill, that feet together drill, because I really like that drill for you. Okay, so as you take it back, keep that club face nice and square. That's it. Very good right there. Coming down. See you coming down right on plane, and that club's going out towards the target. That is really good drill for you. Really good change. It was a lot of change this week for you. You stuck with it. You're really trying to make that change, so very good.